because we are rushing to ship the goods after Chinese New Year. And today we have finished the last batch of goods ordered before Chinese New Year. As you can see here, this is a blouse with long sleeves, with elastic cuff and elastic bottom. You can see the fabric hand feel is very soft. Yeah, a candy color. And you can see here the workers are cutting the threads. You can see cutting the threads. After cutting threads, we have two guys will inspect all the goods. After inspection the goods, we have to start to pack the blouse. In this procedure, you can see here. This girl is packing the blouse. Yeah, a simple pack to avoid less crease. As you can see, here are part of the ready packed cottons here. You can see here, yeah. And we will deliver in the end of this week. There will be a fabric fair in this March, and if you have some new sourcing and we'd like to sourcing for you for your new collection, please leave us a message if you are interested about some videos, and I will take it for you. Okay, see you next time. Bye.